Hi guys, this is your Queen Rika. Welcome to my channel. So yan, as you can see, I'm just done with my work for today. And I think I have mentioned it last week on my video that I am in a work from home status. So yes, yan, kakatapos na ng work ko. So now I'm free to do whatever I want to do. So actually, I just opened my WordPress blog kasi I'm planning to write a new content for this week. But moving forward, lumabas yung pamangkin ko sa kabilang bahay. My sister's house kasi is just in front of our house. So, lumabas siya, pumunta dito. Open yung door. So, moving forward, just a recap. Last week, I posted my first ever video on this channel, the unboxing of this gaming chair. And from that video, you can see that I'm doing it with my niece and my nephews. And yeah, nag-enjoy naman kami sa pag-unbox nito. So today, since I'm already using it for a week, I decided to provide you my honest review on this one. So yeah, that's it. By the way, kasi medyo nag-worry ako dahil I have read some of articles and some consumers review regarding sa kahit na anong PU leather or synthetic leather na chair. So they said na isa sa common problem nito is yung lagnanas na nagtutuklap siya. Nagtutuklap siya sa sobrang init and pag sa sobrang gamit na. So since bago pa lang siya, it's only a week, I decided to buy something for it para malagaan natin. And yeah, I bought something. Damit, siguro. Yeah. Binila ko siya ng damit kasi ayoko siya masira agad since lagi ko siyang gagamitin. Matagal-tagal pa kami magsasama. So, ayoko siya ng damit. And it's red because, as you can see, dalawa lang favorite color ko. It's either red or black. So, red ang kinuha ko. Pag black, hindi na siya makikita. So, red na lang. So, ganito na natin siya. And then, let me provide you my review. Let's go! I'm back to give you my review. So, kanina sinabi ko na dadamitan ko muna siya bago ako magbigay ng review. But then, I decided na I should probably give you my review first before closing it up. For the reason na may turo ka na maayos yung mga dapat kong ituturo or mas makapagbigay ako ng accurate review kasi nakita ko siya and nakita ko din siya. So first, sa style and design ng chair. So for me, maganda yung design niya kasi meron siyang wide yung dito niya. So kapag ang out ka dyan, for example, nakatulog talaga. Pero yun kasi talaga yung sa mga reason ba't ito binili, para pag makatulog ako, hindi ka malalaglag, hindi na side. Pero yun, maganda nga. Maganda siya. I really like the style. Hindi mo natanggol yung style niya. Sticker. Yun. Also, yung sitting area niya is malapad siya. So, for girls na medyo chubby like me, it's a plus factor. And makakapa-cross-leg ka rin. Kasi ako, I love I work nang nagpa-cross-leg. Usually, I love crossing my legs while sitting. Especially when I'm writing on my blog or whenever I am working. So, yun. And also, meron din siyang armrest na hindi naka-attach sa backrest niya. Kasi, isa sa mga nagiging common problem ng mga chair na yung armrest niya is naka-attach sa chair mismo is natutuklap siya or nasisira kasi nga nagagasgas. So, it is a good thing na ito is separate sa chair. And then, to add additional comfort, they also included a neck pillow and a back pillow or lower back pillow para makapag-comfort. So, for example, if you're doing your work or if you're just writing like me or even playing games, kapag tired ka na, you can just sit back and still do your thing. So, yun. And so, pala, one of the common issue na nababasa ko na tinatanong ng mga customers na bumili sa gaming counter gear is madalas nila tinatanong kung nag-rollable ba yung chair. So, the answer to that is yes, nag-rollable siya. So, let me show you. Let me see. Yeah. You can see, nag-wobble siya, di ba? It is. Pero nakalock pa yan. But, pag hindi na siya nakalock, syempre, mas nag-wobble siya. So, yeah. Maririnig na yung na yan, then push it down. Sabihin, na-unlock mo na siya. So, yan. Okay. Mas nag-wobble. Wobble. Pero for me, I think it's okay. Okay lang naman kung nag-wobble yung chair. Kasi para lang siyang, para kang mag-sa rocking chair. It just rocks back and forth. I think they designed this chair to be as it is. Kasi meron mga tao na gusto nilang nag-rocking chair or siguro hindi nila napapansin yung gusto nila. Like for me, for example, when I am working before sa office, meron kami chair na hindi siya nag-wobble, hindi siya nag-rock. Pero yung sandalan niya is naka-design siya para mabibend siya ng konti. So, it seems like it's rocking. So, that's why I love this na nag-rock siya. I don't know, but it gives me additional comfort. And it's relaxing. Parang nakaka-antok. Yan. So, para din sa mga tao na ayaw nila nun, siguro, all they have to do is to find or to look for another chair na hindi nag-wobble. There are a lot of gaming chairs out there na saswak sa budget nila and sa trip nila. So, yun. Again, if you want to close it or parang hindi siya mag-wobble, please, lang siya. And close na siya. Let me show you yung
The lock is here. Yan, that one. All you have to do is pull it. Yan, pushed. Then, yung chairs hindi na siya mag-wobble. Nilalak. Pag nakarinig ka ng ganyan, it's locked already. So, yeah. And, by the way, yung base niya pala is nylon. So, okay siya. Mas matibay siya compared to steel.
And also, nai-incline din siya. Isa rin kasi sa mga hinahanap ko sa chair, mapa-mesh man yan, mesh type or gaming chair, is nai-incline siya. Actually, before I bought this one, I looking for the types of chair. Basta gaming chair, either it is mesh type, kasi nga, I also put into consideration yung init ng panahon because I know the leather type chair are the heat shock when it's net. So, hindi ka nakaka-mesh type and leather type. But I bought this one. Maganda siya and hindi ako nagsisisi. So, also, you can recline it. You just have to meron niya dito sa baba. Dito. Meron siyang hanggang dito. And you can just push it up. And then, yan, hintay mo siya. Ngayon, ayaw mo naman na naka-incline. Then, push it up. And, ano na yung sarili mo para sa natin. Yan. Also, na-incline siya ng super higa-higa. There. Yung fan, di ba law? Anyway, ayan. So, ayun siya. Yan. Gusto ko na lang matulog. Yes. Pwede tayo matulog. Yan, so, yun guys. Nakakabla ko dito. So, thank you for watching my review on this video